So, you're sitting there, project deadlines looming, your to-do list looking more like a novel, and you think, man, I need a digital lifeboat. ClickUp flashes across your screen, promising to be your project management savior. But here's the burning question. Can you actually rescue your sanity on the go with the ClickUp mobile app? Let's dive in. Now, ClickUp started as a desktop darling. It's got all the bells and whistles. Task management, project planning, goal setting, you name it. But in today's hyper-connected world, can it keep up on the tiny screen? That's what we're here to find out. First off, let's talk about the basics. Yes, ClickUp does have a mobile app. It's available on both iOS and Android, so no one's getting left out. The interface is pretty intuitive, which is a major plus when you're juggling tasks on a smaller screen. You can easily switch between different spaces, see your assigned tasks, and even create new ones. So far, so good. But let's get into the nitty-gritty. How does it handle the core features? Well, task management is surprisingly smooth. You can add subtasks, set due dates, and even assign tasks to team members. The app also lets you add comments and attachments, so you can keep everyone in the loop. Project management is where things get a bit trickier. While you can view project overviews and task boards, creating new projects or making significant changes might require a bit more screen real estate. Now, let's talk about the features that really matter when you're on the go. The time tracking feature is a lifesaver. You can start and stop timers with a tap, and it syncs seamlessly with your desktop. This is huge for freelancers and anyone who needs to bill clients by the hour. The mobile app also supports integrations with popular tools like Google Calendar and Dropbox, so you can stay organized without switching between multiple apps. But what about those features that make ClickUp stand out from the crowd? Can you use the mind map or Gantt chart features on your phone? Unfortunately, these are better suited for a larger screen. The mobile app does give you a glimpse of your project timeline, but it's not as detailed as the desktop version. As for mind maps, they're pretty much non-existent on mobile. So, is the ClickUp mobile app worth it? It depends on your needs. If you're someone who mainly uses ClickUp for task management and time tracking, the mobile app is a solid choice. It's convenient, user-friendly, and gets the job done. But if you rely heavily on the more complex features like Gantt charts and mind maps, you might find yourself frustrated. Let's talk about performance. The app is generally snappy, but it can slow down when you're working on large projects or with lots of attachments. The battery life impact is minimal, so you don't have to worry about your phone dying halfway through the day. One thing that's worth mentioning is the app's design. It's clean and modern, but it could use a bit more color to make it more visually appealing. Also, the font size could be slightly larger for better readability. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, offline functionality. Unfortunately, ClickUp doesn't offer offline access to your tasks or projects. This can be a major drawback if you're working in areas with unreliable internet. To wrap it up, the ClickUp mobile app is a good starting point for managing your tasks on the go. It's functional, user-friendly, and offers essential features. However, it falls short when it comes to complex project management and offline capabilities. If you're looking for a full-featured project management solution in your pocket, you might want to explore other options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.